This video I'm going to show you how to make this DIY bookmark. If you're like me and you read a lot, you probably have a lot of books, and I tend to always grab little pieces of paper or pieces of yarn to hold my place in my book. And so I finally decided to make myself a bookmark. It'd be a really beautiful gift for anyone that reads, and it's actually really easy. It only takes a few minutes. So I made a couple of different styles using different charms, and pretty much any craft store is going to have a jewelry section with a lot of charms to choose from. And the tassels you can either buy or make them yourself, and I'm actually going to show you guys how I made these towards the end of the video. And you can choose to use either ribbon or trim. You can go with something pretty detailed like I did, or something simple like a solid color, or even like velvet. So to get started, you're going to need some scissors, some ribbon or trim of your choice, some ribbon crimps which will connect to the ends, some charms, jump rings which will connect the charms to the crimps, some jewelry pliers, and I actually used some household tweezers along with the pliers, and then lastly some yarn if you want to make a tassel. So first you're going to take the ribbon or trim that you choose, and you're going to cut it to the size of your book. And you want it to have about an inch extra on both ends. Then you're going to use ribbon crimps, and these you can find in the jewelry section. And the ones that I bought have various sizes, so I'm just going to choose the ones that match the width of my trim. Next we're going to attach the ribbon crimps to the trim. So you're just going to insert the trim into the little teeth of the crimp, and then take your pliers and just press down super hard and make sure it's secure. And then just repeat that to the other side. And then now we're able to connect the charms. So we're just going to take our jump rings, and jump rings are just these little rings that you can open up and connect the two. So I'm just going to open it up using the pliers, place the charm on the jump ring, and then connect it to the crimp and close the ring. And then you want to do the same thing to any other charms that you want to connect. So I'm going to do one more charm on this side, and then I'm going to do another charm on the other side. For those of you who want to add little tassels like I did, you can either purchase them at the craft store or you can make them yourself, and it's pretty easy. You're going to start by cutting 5 3-inch pieces of yarn, and then you're going to take a large jump ring and thread all the pieces of yarn through that ring. And then fold it in half. Then you're going to take 3 smaller jump rings and use them to hold the tassel together. So you're just going to open them up and then put all of the yarn inside of the smaller jump ring. And then do the same thing with the other 2 small jump rings. Then we're just going to trim the ends so that they're even. So that's it for the DIY bookmark. Thank you guys for watching. This is one of those pretty simple but also very special and meaningful DIYs that you can make for someone, for your family members, your mom, your best friend, for yourself. It's just really something useful to have. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIYs. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys on the next video.